Makoron.
Makoron San.
Makoron, yes.
Yeah. So when have you started this cafe?
last November.
Last November. So before what you did? Mukashi and before Mukashi what you did?
I mean, I worked in chocolate factory in Hiroshima, Onomichi.
Oh. So why you have started the art and cocoa ishoni?
I lived in Sado Island about 40 years ago, and then I went Niigata, Tokyo, Osaka, Hiroshima. I played the music and the work salaryman. Then I was traveling by bicycle from Osaka to Okinawa. And, I visited Onomichi. I love there. Onomichi is in Hiroshima prefecture. I'm working 5 years, about 5 years in chocolate factory at Hiroshima. I came back last year in Sado. This is my home island.
Oh, you born here?
Yeah, I was born here.
Your grandparents here?
So.
Father, mother also. Oh. This is your house? Own house?
Yes. That's my house.
Oh, really? Good. Interesting. Oh. So, why have you started the art collections?
All of the furniture, I'm not buy.
People gift?
Please.
gift. Collection.
Yes. For example,
Chair.
this chair is very good, but someone is もったいない。
もったいない。
で、だから、give me, please give me this chair. 全部そう。
Oh, すごいね。So, how you get the idea? Collection at the same time cafe.
なんだろうな、どうしてだろう。
You are musician.
And
Music?
my idea and my friends' idea. my friends have good idea.
One kind of exhibition. Exhibition.
はい。
みんな見てな。みんな見て、すごいですよな。Remembrance な。Old style. Oh, very good collection な。Thank you very much. これは one kind of tree な。tree?
ここはすごい。なんか、なんだろう。
Stone? Inside stone.
Maybe.
これ何ココ？
チョコレート。
Chocolate. Oh.
Our chocolate.
From where you import?
This bean from Honduras, and I have Ghana, Honduras, Costa Rica, and Vietnam.
Oh, すごいね。
This is our chocolate.
Oh, already made. It's nice. すごいね。
This is 漢字。
お、漢字？私。
Japanese traditional calligraphy.
What is meaning?
Mushiro.
Mushiro. お、名前な。すごい。
Cocoa beans.
Cocoa bean.
From Costa Rica. でこの後ねまだちょっと仕上げで焼くんですけど、とりあえず味見をよかったら。
リアルテイスト。
あー
リアル。
まだ、でもいい豆だ、すごいいい豆。もうちょっと火通した方がいいなこれ。
なんか3日ぐらい寝るんでしたっけ？何
3日ぐらい寝てますから。
分かった？